You see it, but there is a swarm. There's a swarm going to happen right now, and it's going into one of my swarm traps right this minute. That is so cool. I don't know where these bees are coming from. They're coming from somewhere. This will be the second swarm I've caught in my backyard. This is crazy. So cool. They're going in somewhere. Not sure where they're gonna go, but they're definitely going there. Looks like they might be going. It's hard to say. That is so cool. So what happens when you're a beekeeper and you got a bunch of bee equipment? Let's see. They are going into this swarm trap right here. Looks like. Yeah, they are. There they go. Oh, they're going into that one too. Oh my goodness, this is 2 swarms. It's got to be 2 swarms going into 2 different boxes. That's crazy. 2 swarms coming in at the same time. How often do you see that? So cool. Look at all these bees. Look at that, they're all crawling up right there into that box. And they're all going into this box too. It's crazy. Giant. Look at all these bees. That is a lot of stinking bees right there. That's what that is. Should have that up and out. Coming in here too. Just gonna push that up real quick. That'll help them get in there. So cool. How often do you see this happening, huh? See, up close and personal. All the way back. Now we got another one. I can't believe that 2 swarms are coming at the same time. So stinking cool. See, right now bees are very docile whenever they swarm. So right now they're swarming, it looks crazy. You're like, oh my gosh, there's so many bees. But this is actually when they're most docile, because they're swarming. All they're interested in is getting the queen and the hive to a safe place. That's all they want. That's all they want. Pretty cool stuff. Alright guys, later.